Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sadesha, and today we are going to be doing a first impressions on my Juvia's Place palette. This is my first item that I ever purchased from Juvia's Place, and watch until the end to get my review on it. So without further ado, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started with this first impressions. I'm excited. This is one of my first impressions that I've ever done, and I guess I'm doing this right. So this is the Juvia's Place, the Mauves palette. I ordered mine from Ulta because they were sold out at Juvia's Place, and I also purchased the Scorpio liner as well. So it had this, came in some bubble wrap, and it had this clear protective coating on the inside here. I'm going to show you, this is how the inside of the palette looks, and it is so pretty. It's stunning. I absolutely adore this palette. So yes, I hope the colors are coming off as rich as they really are. But really quickly, I am going to do some swatches, and I love their packaging. Their packaging is just absolutely beautiful. Let's see. They are pressed pigment shadows, and then two of them are just regular eyeshadows, it looks like. Let's just get into having some fun. I don't want to make it too technical. I just want to have fun with this. I think we all need a bit of a release right now. You know, 2020 cray. I'm just going to take my finger and go across these ones. Okay, so this one feels extremely buttery and smooth and creamy to the touch. The rest do also, but this one feels the smoothest because it made me think of it instantly. I should have shown you how they looked on my fingers. I'm new to this whole swatch game thing, okay? This one right here, and this one right there. Ooh, that's pretty. You can see them, and I love this color. This color is absolutely beautiful, and we are going to put all of this on the eye and just have a chat as we're doing this video. Just about life and things and stuff that has happened in the last few weeks. Just so much has been going on, and you know what? We are just in a really weird time right now, and I want to use this space as a way to just have a little peace. This is my place to dream, to relax, to be creative, to express myself. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So we are going to go in with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. To all the OG makeup artists out there. And it's brand new, you guys. Look at this. Oh, it's brand new. It's fresh, hasn't been touched. It's perfect. We're not being super technical. We are having fun. So, how are you guys? How have you guys been doing? Please let me know below in the comments how you've been holding up during this time. It just seems like thing after thing after thing keeps happening. And, you know, it's a lot. It's a lot. And if you've never been prayed up before, now is that time to just really hone in to the Lord. I'm just gonna blend this out because it dries down very quickly, and I wanna make sure that my base is even. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned I did my brows already also. I am going to put a little bit on a smudge brush and go down here. Right on my lower lash line, not on the waterline, of course, but the lower lash line. However, yes, let me know how you guys have been doing and tell me how you have been dealing with all this stuff that's going on in the world, and not to mention what's going on in everyone's lives personally. It's a lot to juggle. It's a lot to take in, but I have been in constant prayer. I have really been focusing on just being a mom, loving on my family, and being a good partner. And you know, I had to unplug from social media completely, and I had to focus on my family because some personal things were going on that just absolutely crushed my family and I. A lot has happened, but as I said, I can't necessarily share it right now, but when the time is right, I will. Because I was having a really good conversation with a girlfriend, and she said, you know, Sadesha, you need to share your story because you never know who you could help, and it's important to be, you know, the light in a dark place, which I do value myself on being that light in a dark place, which I feel like so many of us are in right now, which is just disheartening. So I'm really on here today to relieve my mind, to do something that I know just really excites me and makes me happy. So we are trying color today. We are going to have some fun with this palette. So I don't know how this look is going to turn out, but we're just going to do this thing. We're going to start out with this middle pink color. Even just picking the color up on my brush is just intense. And I'm feeling like I want the color to, whoa, yes, give me color, give it to me. So yeah, we're just gonna build this color up, and we are just gonna sweep this down where I put the paint pot. Actually, we're not. We're not. We're going to take another brush to do that because the way I want it to blend out, I'm not going to be able to do with this in particular brush. It's a little bit too fluffy. But anyway, so you guys, on my website, Cmichellestyles.com, I did a post talking about getting back to me after I had my baby boy. And that, if that couldn't be any further from the truth, I have really been doing the things and working on the things that made me me before I became a mom. And I think that is so important to never lose that part of yourself that makes you you. Yes, you get caught up in so many titles. Whatever your title is that, you know, requires a lot of your time. It's so easy to just kind of get lost in those things and forget about yourself. And here recently, I've really been honing in on focusing on myself also, and doing this video and just having fun with it, and not trying to be so perfect, and not worry about my background not being the most elaborate with a burning candle, and not doing this or that. I'm going back to the old school way we used to do YouTube videos, and it was fun, and it was a creative outlet, and you know, people were just doing it to do it. It wasn't like so much pressure or so much. I'm going in with a NARS brush. This is number 15, and the first brush I went in with was a crown brush. It says the SS027 deluxe blending brush, and this is by far one of my favorites. Anyway, back to my whole speech, where everything isn't perfect, okay? It's just about the fun of doing makeup. It's about your creativity. It's about you expressing yourself and just having another way to release yourself and not make it so, I don't know. I think you guys catch my drift. And that's what I'm doing right now in this moment. If I even post this video, I'll be proud of myself, because to me, that means that I'm doing it for me. And I'm just having fun. And I'm trying to reach those that just want to do the same. All right, so now this is what I was mentioning about smoking it out. Just kind of, we want to diffuse it because I don't want the line to be so perfect. So now I'm going to go back in with the crown brush that I was saying before, kind of pinching it and blending it out. So now I want to soften that crease color a little bit and go in with this pink. And we're just gonna take it up slightly to the brow bone area. Let's see how the colors build. It is softening that crease like I want it to do. Let's go in with the deepest purple color right there. And we're gonna take a crease brush. This is a Morphe M506 brush. We're gonna go perfectly, just placing this color in the crease. So I am noticing the colors are building upon each other, which is awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted them to build. And you guys, like I said, we are just having fun with this. I don't think I've ever really recorded myself doing a cut crease. And that's exactly what I'm gonna try today. Now I'm just gonna pack a little bit more on, because I really want it to be like boom. And I'm not gonna lie, this brush is fabulous. We're going to go in with this pinky color. I really feel like I should dampen it, but we're just gonna see what it does on its own first. Oh, it's gorgeous. But I am gonna dampen it. I'm kind of merging those two lines together on the ends here. And I am just cutting my crease. It does apply a lot more pigmented when you spray. It really just blossoms when you do that. And another reason why I wanted to do that is because it is slight fallout. So when I see myself, it is slight fallout. So let's kind of merge everything together and make it all blend. We're gonna go in with this purple shade right here, and I'm going in with that smaller brush, the crease brush that I love, and we're just gonna kind of blend these two colors together, the crease color and the cut crease color. Just kind of marry them together. And this last color, let's just use it for our lower lash line. But not really. I'm going slightly above the lighter pink. And I'm also going to use a little bit of that same color and just kind of smoke out the lash line in the outer corner. Look at this. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then come back. Okay guys, so this is the final look, fully completed. I added some lashes, some eyeliner, highlight, contour, all of that, lip, and you guys, this look is everything. I had so much fun creating this look. I needed this for my mental, just to have some fun and let loose and play in makeup and do something that I absolutely love doing. So let's get into this palette. The Juvias Place, the Mauves palette is beautiful. The colors just build upon themselves so nicely. They're pigmented. It's a beautiful palette. I love the color story. The pan size is fantastic. So you get a lot of product. It'll probably take a while before I hit pan. And I mean, just look at this packaging. This is beautiful. Like, as a makeup artist and a collector, I mean, who wouldn't want to see this on their shelf? I have absolutely no complaints. This was my first purchase from Juvia's Place, this palette along with this lip liner, which I have on right now, and I'm obsessed. I loved it. This was fun. I am going to be doing way more creative, out there, fun looks, and I'm going to entitle the segment Living in Color or Dreaming in Color, one of the two, because we have all this makeup. I mean, some of us are quarantined depending on where you are. Why not play with it? Why not have fun with it? Let's have fun with our stuff that we spend our money on. But this palette is beautiful. I loved it. I will be purchasing more from Juvia's Place, and it was a pleasure to support a Black-owned business also. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this look. If you have any other products that you want me to review, please let me know. I am just feeling myself. And I will list everything below in the description box, and there will be some affiliate links down there and some non-affiliate links for full disclosure and no additional cost to you. If you are to click on one of the links and make a purchase, I will make a small commission. So thank you in advance if you decide to do that. That helps support my channel and me buying more makeup. So thank you guys so much, and I will be posting pictures of this look on my Instagram at Cmichellestyles. That link is below in the description box, and you can visit my website at Cmichellestyles.com because that's where I post just all things beauty, fashion, and baby. But thank you guys for just letting me be me and rant and have my moments. And one thing we need to realize is that we're all human. Things happen in life, and we all need our outlets on how we can express ourselves and have fun. And YouTube is my way of doing that, along with Cmichellestyles.com. So please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe and all that jazz. I'd appreciate it. And until next time, adios, besos.